Hello. In this lesson, we will again try to find the unknown x value in a proportion using the method of equalizing cross products, just like we did in the previous lesson. What is the difference from the x values in the other lesson? In the questions here, there are other numbers in front of the x's right now. So, x is not alone. In such a case, does the solution method change? We will examine that. Let's take a look at our first question. There is again an expression with x. A proportion is given. What do we do right away? We are checking if the cross products are equal. Friends, we are multiplying 3x by 1. 3x times 1 equals, we are multiplying 3 by 7. 3 times 7. To isolate x, the numbers next to x need to be eliminated. To eliminate this, I divide both sides by 3. Because 1 is the identity element in multiplication, right? So it has no effect. That's why only x remains on the left side. On the right side, 3 and 3 simplify. And what remains? Only 7. So, in this equation, in this proportion equation, the thing called x must be 7. So if it is 7 divided by 21, this expression would satisfy our proportion. Actually, this is what we need to understand. Let's look at our second expression. Again, the cross products are equal to, I say, that the product of our property with 39 must be equal to what? To the product of 13 and 2x. Here again, look without doing any multiplication. Before multiplying 2 and 39 to say 78, what will I do to the numbers in front of x? I will divide both sides. So, there are 13 and 2 as factors in front of x. I also need to divide the other side by 13 times 2. This way, you eliminate the factors in front of x, so we'll be left alone on the right side of the equation. Left side, 13 divides 39, a multiple of 3. 2 also cancels 2. So what remains here? Only 3 remains. Therefore, what we call x must be 3. And on this side, we find that x must be 2 times 3, which is 6. The right side of our equation will be 6 divided by 39. Friends, let's look at our final equation. Again, the cross products must be equal. The product of 16 must equal the product of 4x and 2. And since we want to isolate x here, I need to divide by all the factors outside of x. So, I need to divide by 4 and 2. Since I divided this side, I also need to divide the left side by 4 and 2. The 2's will simplify. 4's simplify. When we come to this side, 16 divided by 4 becomes 4. It becomes 4. 42, if divided by 2, 2 remains. So, only 2 will be left on the left side of our equation. On the right side of our equation, only x will remain. So, in this proportion equation, x should be 2, which means 1 divided by 2 times 4 will be 8. We say, we have seen how to find the unknowns given in a proportion in this lesson. See you in the next lesson. Take care of yourselves.